Lesson 1 to 2, How to check garment quality. It shows the number of good and defect products at each line, and the cause of the defect too. It can be counted with INS panel instead of paper defect report in QC section. You can analyze the frequent defect causes and solve the problem, then the quality gets improved. So, let's explore how to see on the system. On the top page, click on Inspection Graph button. Then, click on Bar Graph. Set the graph condition. Select the time to display first. I'm showing the total results in today. Then, choose whether to display the cause of defect or not. I'm showing them this time. Finally, select the equipment or production lines. I'm selecting all 2 equipment, managing total 3 lines garment quality. You can see the quantity of good and defective products with their cause. Easy to edit the graph condition setting from Copy and Create. And daily used setting can be pinned on the top page from this Save button. Input understandable name and select Yes, then click to OK. Now, you do not need to set the condition again. These counts can be done by Brother's unique application with an Android tablet, as INS panel. For a detailed setting method, please refer to the separate setting manual. I will explain the basic usage here. To use INS panel in the line, firstly, check the connection status icon. Red sign means disconnected. Please check the internet connection and change it to green sign. PO information can be selected in the left column. Select a PO from the entered list. Image for PO can be set. For counting, just tap the Good or Defect button. When you tap the Defect button, you can select the cause of the defect.